Friends, welcome to youtube.com oblique Dr. Vet channel. I am Dr. P.R. Patel, Professor and Head Veterinary Medicine. In this presentation, we are going to deal with a very important disease of cow and buffaloes. The name of disease is post-parturient hemoglobinuria. This is important metabolic disease. In part 1, we'll discuss synonym, definition, etiology, epidemiology of hypophosphatemia. Friends, we deal with post-parturient hemoglobinuria. First, understand the title of disease. Post-parturient means after parturition. The cow and buffalo manifest a important symptom hemoglobinuria, red urine, presence of hemoglobin in urea. So name is given post-parturient hemoglobinuria. There are several synonyms. Nutritional hemoglobinuria. In the nutrition or the diet, there is deficiency of phosphorus and that causes hemolysis. So there is hemoglobinuria. Hemoglobin appear in urine. Nutritional hemoglobinuria. Main biochemical defect is decreased phosphorus level of blood, so named hypophosphatemia. Most of the conditions are very acute, but sometimes a chronic phosphorus deficiency occurs, and that also leads to hemoglobinuria. It is also called as a local name red water because the urine becomes red because of the hemoglobinuria, red water. Lahu mutna, that terminology is in Hindi. Lahu means blood, mutna means urine, pesap. Presence of blood in urine, red urine, due to hemoglobinuria, so it is called as lahu mutna. Friend, understand the disease definition. It is a metabolic disease and it occurs as a sporadic cases, sporadic disease. Sometimes it may occur in outbreak, but mostly it is a sporadic disease. Friends, remember it is a disease of high producing dairy cows and buffaloes at the onset of lactation. Because at the onset of lactation, there is high milk production that leads to high drainage of the phosphorus, there is hypophosphatemia. It occurs soon after calving, just onset of lactation, within 2 to 4 weeks after calving, because of the high milk production. The disease is characterized by acute intravascular hemolysis. The disease is acute. The hemolysis means lysis of RBC, breakdown of the RBCs occur when the RBCs are in the blood vessels circulating. And because of this hemolysis, the hemoglobin is released into circulation and hemoglobin is filtered through the kidney and appear in the urine called hemoglobinuria, presence of hemoglobin in the urea, and this is a very severe life-threatening anemia, loss of hemoglobin and RBCs. So it is a life-threatening condition. Now we see the etiology of post-parturient hemoglobinuria. We know that it is caused by hypophosphatemia, decreased phosphorus level of the blood. An important factor is a dietary factor. Diet is the cause. So it is considered as a primary factor. In that, the feed is normally low in phosphorus. Feed is normally low in phosphorus. Certain commonly fed diet or grass, alfalfa grass, we call it as a lucerne or Medicago sativa. In North India, it is called as rajka. Ryegrass, we can use for the pasture, hay or silage. Cabbage, kale, turnip, cruciferous plants, brassica, sugarcane top or beet pulps. These all diet or grass or food or feed, they are low in phosphorus. So when the diet is low in phosphorus, it causes hypophosphatemia. Certain poisoning cases, copper deficiency as well as copper poisoning, both causes hypophosphatemia. Molybdenum poisoning. The saponin content of the plant also causes lysis of RBCs. How it causes, we'll see later on. Continuation of the etiology. We have seen first factor, that is dietary factor, and main thing is grass, feed, fodder, diet deficient in phosphorus. The second factor is soil deficient in phosphorus. If the soil is deficient in phosphorus, the grass or fodder grown in that soil is also deficient in phosphorus. When animal consumes such grass, animals suffer from phosphorus deficiency. Third factor, certain drought condition. When there is drought, there is very poor growth of plants. And when the poor growth of plants is there, that is the deficient in phosphorus. Especially grass grown in cold weather. Also there is poor growth of plant and deficient in the phosphorus. Primary dietary deficiency we have seen. There is a secondary deficiency of vitamin D. The condition is called as hypovitaminosis D. The function of vitamin D is to promote intestinal absorption of the phosphorus. If there is deficiency of vitamin D, that also leads to hypophosphatemia. Fifth factor, an important factor, excessive drainage of phosphorus through milk. We have already seen, that's why it is called as post-parturient hemoglobinuria. When there is excessive milk production, there is drainage, and both factors combine to produce the condition, that is dietary deficiency as well as excessive drainage. Friends, remember, ruminant secretes high quantity of phosphorus in saliva, and that also causes a fecal loss in phosphorus. But this phosphorus can be absorbed into the system. Friends, we have seen etiology. Now we will see the epidemiology. Prolonged hypophosphatemia is an important predisposing factor. Phosphorus deficient soil and drought conditions act as a precipitating factor that you already seen in etiology. Friends, remember, morbidity is 40% high and mortality is 50%. See the acuteness or severeness of the condition. The adult cows and buffaloes 3 to 6 weeks after delivery are more prone of disease because of the high phosphorus excretion through milk. The cows in 3rd to 6th lactation are more prone because As the lactation advances up to 4th, 5th lactation, the milk production increases. After 4th or 5th lactation, the milk production decreases. So, more prevalence in 3rd to 6th lactation, that is because of high lactational yield during 3rd to 6th lactation. We continue with the epidemiology. The hypophosphatemia or postpartum hemoglobinuria is occurring throughout the world, including India. In India, it is very common in North India, especially in the states of Punjab, Haryana, MP, Rajasthan, and western part of the Maharashtra. More cases of prevalence are seen in North India. In Europe and North America, the disease is more common during prolonged period of housing when the cat are housed for a long time indoor. That is also the cause of hypophosphatemia. Friends, this is a very important disease, hypophosphatemia or postpartum hemoglobinuria. We have seen the introduction, definition, synonym, and etiology. Share this important information to our veterinary friends so that they can provide better services to the farmer and to the animal. Please subscribe the channel to uplift the channel. Thank you very much for observing this video.